It's a good idea to create something called a recovery drive so that if something happens to your system, you always have something to recover with. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto your start menu and you can simply type in recovery right here. And here you can see recovery drive is an option right here. So let me just click on this and it says recovery media creator. So simply click on yes right here. So what you can do is you can backup system files to recovery drive. You can check this out if you want to back up all the system files. So here it says even if your PC cannot start, you can use the recovery drive to reset or troubleshoot a problem. So once you have a recovery drive, this is an advantage. So you can click on next right here, and then what happens is that it starts up the process for creating a recovery drive. And over here, now you see the option to select a USB flash drive. So you can see that there's available a flash drive right here, and it must be at least 8 GB in size. So everything in the drive will be deleted as it says right here. So you have to press right here. So it is warning you again that everything on the drive will be deleted. So you need to have a dedicated pen drive or a hard drive that you want to have the recovery drive as. So simply click on create, and what happens is that it starts creating the recovery drive over here. And it starts formatting the drive right here, and then starts writing files to it. And what happens is that it'll start to create the recovery drive. And what you can do is you can use that drive. Then if something happens to your computer, if your computer does not boot up or something, then what you can do is you can use the drive to boot it up and recover your system from it. So this process will continue. And now I'm not going to go through the whole process because I already have a recovery drive, but this is the process you should follow and your recovery drive will be ready. So that is the process of creating a recovery drive so that you can have a recovery option if something bad happens to your computer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.